It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
ABC. Yes, it's ABC. This is called ABC. What can she be? Girls can be anything they want to be from A to Z. This is illustrated by Jessie Ford. What can you be? Follow along through the alphabet to discover some of the amazing things that any girl can be when she grows up. The world is full of possibilities. A is for Astronaut. She blasts into outer space to explore new worlds. Wow! What do you see?
This.
And this?
Star.
Yeah, it's a shooting star. And that was a spaceship. B is for Botanist. She carefully studies plants to see what makes them grow.
Mama.
C is for Chef. She chops, flips, and sizzles to create delicious food for you and me. Yummy. She's got a wok in her hand, and she's flipping some noodles and mushrooms and shrimp. Looks delicious. D is for Deep Sea Diver. She swims with the fish to investigate life on the ocean floor. E is for Engineer. She builds new things and understands how different parts fit together.
Crane.
Yeah, it's a crane. You do that every day with your Legos.
Never.
F is for Firefighter.
Fire.
She fights fires and rescues people from burning buildings. Ooh, look, what's this?
Fire.
She's shooting water at the fire. G is for Gymnast. She jumps, flips, and cartwheels to win gold medals in worldwide competitions. Ooh, I wonder if she competed in the Olympics. H is for Hairstylist. She clips, curls, twists, and braids to make others look their best. I is for Interior Designer. She picks out perfect patterns and comfy couches to make our homes beautiful. J is for Judge. She makes decisions in court to promote justice and fairness for all. K is for Keyboardist. She plays music with her band and performs at rock concerts around the world. L is for Librarian. She helps children discover the wonderful world of books. M is for Mechanic. She fixes cars, trucks, and even planes to keep them running smoothly and safely. N is for Neurosurgeon. She performs surgery to help our brains work the best they can. Look, this is the head, and this is the brain, and the different colors represent different parts of the brain. O is for Optometrist. She checks our eyes to make sure we can see clearly. Ooh, I bet you can tell me every single one of these letters.
E. F. D. T. O. T.
P is for Pilot. She flies around the world in her jumbo jet airplane. Whoa, look at all of those buttons. Q is for Quantum Physicist. She studies atoms, electrons, and other tiny things to understand how our world works. R is for Referee. She knows all the rules and makes sure we play fairly. Look, she's holding a whistle. S is for Software Engineer. She writes code to make computer software and programs. T is for Teacher. She teaches us new things so we can make our dreams come true. U is for UN Ambassador. She promotes unity and friendship with leaders from around the world. V is for Veterinarian. She sees sick animals and helps them feel better again. W is for writer. She uses words to educate and entertain others with articles, stories, and poetry.
W.
Very good. That was a very good W. X is for X-ray technician. She takes pictures of broken bones to help us heal. Oh, look, that's what's inside of your hand. That's a lot of bones. Y is for yoga instructor. She teaches people how to move to make their bodies strong and flexible. Z is for zoologist. She studies and cares for animals in their native habitat.
Mama.
Oh, yeah, banana. That is a banana.
E. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
You've seen different things that you can be from A to Z, but there are so many other possibilities. From doctor or lawyer to artist or photographer, the only limit is your imagination. What other things can you dream to be? When you find something you really love, keep learning everything you can and you will get better. You'll use all your skills to be the best person you can be. And if you make other people happy and feel loved, you will make a difference in the world. And that is the best possible thing you can be. I'm Carmabela Sunshine, and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a family you think will enjoy it too.
Bye-bye.